Is the rule of law outdated? Hello, this is Reinhard von Hennigs. And the lawyer in me, of course, cries out loud, no, it is not outdated. Well, what is the rule of law? Some of you may ask yourself. It is the authority that law in a society is valid for everybody. All members of society are subject to the same principles, including the government, and everybody has an equal treatment under the legal codes and processes. Why is it outdated then? In many countries in the world, the rule of law is not applicable because of corruption and because of local issues related to the local jurisdiction. Therefore, many companies who are publicly traded focus on the environmental, social, and governance issues, also known as ESG. What internal rules does a company have in place in the ESG world, where companies need to follow the ESG movement in order to be publicly attractive, in order to be traded in stock exchanges? So in a way, those self-made rules, which are not necessarily self-made because they reflect a certain standard of society, play a higher role than the rule of law. The World Justice Project indicated in their rule of law index that the rule of law is declining, but the ESG movement is improving. So by contrast, those two concepts, while the rule of law may be weak, it is best for you as a company to look into compliance programs to make you attractive to your investors, but also a good compliance program in the world of ESG may help you if it comes down to any governmental, regulatory, and other investigative work. So at the end, the rule of law may not be dead, but it may be substituted by a system whereas the society has self-regulatory approach rather than the rule of law.